The snow falling tonight. Look at that. It's on the ground. See the little flakes falling. I like them, but it's been snowing pretty hard here all day long, actually. You can barely see it though. So, snow isn't something you can just record sometimes. It's very hard unless it's in big piles like this. So you can see it's been just kind of snow had all day. It's kind of a mixture of dry and wet snow. One like sand. But you can tell it's not. But anyway, pretty cool. Pretty cool looking. I know I made a video and I understand that, I do have a life past YouTube. Anyway, hold on. So let's see what the front yard looks like. Turn the light on. Well, you can see a little bit of my light show. You can see the pretty snow falling. Once again. It's very peaceful. Just a soft, gentle little snow, and I got 2 green lights burned out. Great. Real great. Anyway, so what happens when you use LEDs for a couple years to begin to fail. Anyway, talk to you all later. I know I made a video in quite a long time, but all of this explains why I've been really busy. Anyway.